In this video, I will show you how to smoothly transition your email marketing from Gist to Mailblaze. For your convenience, the links to both Gist and Mailblaze are in the description below so you can try them out. First off, let's talk about why you might want to make the switch. Gist and Mailblaze are both powerful email marketing platforms, but perhaps you're looking for a change in features, pricing, or simply want to explore a new tool. Whatever your reason, transitioning between platforms can seem daunting, but fear not, I've got you covered. Exporting your contacts from Gist. Log into your Gist account, navigate to the Contacts section, and locate the option to export contacts. Follow the prompts to download your contact list in a compatible format, typically CSV. Importing your contacts to Mailblaze. Once you have your contacts exported from Gist, head over to your Mailblaze account. Look for the Import Contacts feature and follow the steps to upload your CSV file. Mailblaze makes this process seamless, ensuring all your contacts are transferred safely. Setting up your email campaigns. Now that your contacts are safely transferred, it's time to recreate your email campaigns in Mailblaze. Take advantage of Mailblaze's intuitive drag-and-drop editor to design stunning emails that engage your audience. You'll find plenty of templates and customization options to suit your needs. Testing and optimizing. Before sending out your campaigns, be sure to test them thoroughly to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Mailblaze offers robust testing tools to help you preview your emails across different devices and email clients. Don't forget to leverage Mailblaze's analytics features to track the performance of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize your email marketing strategy. Phasing out Gist. Once you're satisfied with your setup on Mailblaze, it's time to gradually phase out Gist from your email marketing workflow. You can start by disabling your campaigns on Gist and directing all future communications through Mailblaze. Be sure to update any email sign-up forms or integrations to point to your new platform. In terms of pricing, both provide free plans. Click the link in the description to try Gist and Mailblaze for free plan.